investors, I would like to present an opportunity to you on a bank foreclosure that Silver King was able to get under contract in New Braunfels, Texas. This asset has 191 current units and 100,000 square feet of rentable space. Here's some of the big developments that are going on abutting this property. You're overlooking the storage facility. That is Parkside Development, which is going to end up being over 1,800 houses. Past that, and coming into the screen now, is Avery Park, which also has another 1,300 homes that have been developed and or are under development. In the background, you can see Weltner Farms, as well as Dane Ranch. I'd like to take you now through a walkthrough of the entire facility. Coming in off Piper Road, fully gated and secured site with a front office. There is a combination of large bay enclosed storage units and covered parking. You can see our operations manager there coming in and doing our diligence on all of the doors as well as the wiring. Our electrical contractor is out there today as well, joining him, going through all the electrical wiring to make sure it's in code. You'll see here that there's a building missing. That building was poorly constructed by the original developer and was torn down by the bank. That would be a location for us to develop some smaller units, both climate and non-climate control in the future. As we near the end of the 21 existing buildings, there are 2 additional pads where buildings were erected coming up here on the right and the left, where we'll be able to develop some more smaller units, climate and non-climate control on the existing concrete pad. What's also exciting about this property is it comes with a total of 35.5 acres, of which 8.5 have been developed. There is ample room for expansion and or monetization in some other fashion. The property comes with its own air compression system for the tenants to utilize. It's got a tank system for fire suppression already installed and a water well. There's 3 service meter loops that provide power to the existing buildings, and conduit already ran to the eastern side of the property for future expansion opportunities. This property is a bank foreclosure. The bank said that they've got $6.5 million into this asset. Silver King could have rebuilt this for probably $5.5 million, and we've got it under contract for a little under $4.4 million. The office up front has a bathroom and an office room plus storage room, so we may be able to utilize that. The existing rentals are about 43% occupancy for covered parking and about 9% occupancy for the large enclosed units. Asset is cash flowing between $7,000 and $8,000 gross a month right now and is nearing break even. There is over 400,000 square feet of concrete already poured. Here's an eagle eye view of the entire acreage. You can see the facility on the right, and this plot right here to the right with the fence line in the middle is our boundary, with the Parkside Development going in behind it by Lennar.